The Casa das Jabuticabeiras, a project by Terra e Tuma Arquitetos Associados, is a testament to the harmonious interplay between architecture and nature. Nestled within a tranquil garden neighborhood in São Paulo, the house was conceived around a pre-existing orchard, a haven for various fruit trees, most notably the jabuticaba. This natural bounty became the heart of the design, shaping the architectural response and inspiring the project's name. The architects embraced the challenge of integrating the house with the existing landscape, rather than imposing it upon it. By opting for a single-story design, they ensured a direct and intimate connection between the dwelling and the land. The square-shaped roof, a striking architectural feature, serves as a green rooftop, returning a portion of the land to nature and seamlessly blending the house into the neighborhood's tree-lined streetscape. The design process was driven by a deep respect for the site's natural attributes. The architects carefully considered the placement of the house to minimize disturbance to the existing trees, allowing them to continue thriving. This approach not only preserved the ecological balance, but also created a serene and inspiring living environment. The Casa das Jabuticabeiras is a prime example of how architecture can enhance and celebrate the natural beauty of a site. By prioritizing sustainability, respecting the existing landscape, and integrating innovative design solutions, the architects have created a home that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, a testament to the power of thoughtful design. Casa das Jabuticabeiras is a project that invites us to rethink our relationship with the built environment. If you are interested, leave here in the comments if you would like to see more videos on this subject. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to stay up to date with the latest news. See you soon!